Hello everyone, welcome back to SoCalirific. Today we are here at Universal Studios Hollywood. I forgot to record my intro earlier, so I'm a little hot. I've been in the park, but we are here. We're getting some updates for the week. Summer crowds have arrived. We're just gonna walk around, see what's new. So come along and let's go.
Welcome to New York Street. Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm having a good hair day, don't you think?
Always.
Yeah, I got a new hairdresser. What do you think of my coiffure?
It looks great.
Well, I have a hot date Friday night with Herman Schlupp, and I needed to get a makeover. You can never look too good for Herman. How are you, darling?
Good, we're gonna go on the tram.
Oh, have a tram-tastic time and a cabulous day.
Oh, thank you so much, Gabby.
Enjoy the sunshine.
Have a good day. Okay, so we decided to do the studio tour first thing because I know the line is going to get pretty long. We did see some updates on the rumored killer clown maze. They are getting a lot of work done on that.
Love this show. You gotta watch the show. If you've ever had to work customer service or retail, you should definitely be checking it out. It is great. All the episodes, I believe, are now streaming on Hulu, and streaming services have truly revolutionized the TV industry. For us here at NBC Universal, it's Peacock's streaming service, and because of that, it's like a golden age of television for the last couple years or so.
All right, what was surprising as we went through, we did get a peek inside, like a little view of that Nope area. They did have the gate open, and I hope I got the footage because I was just like recording from the top because I did not expect it. But that was super cool.
I will be back to assist you, but please remain seated on the tram. We are doing a little work on something here on your right side. This area of the lot, we often keep pretty blank because we do get filmmakers that put huge locations out here. Locations that you wouldn't otherwise be able to fit inside a soundstage. That we have to protect at all costs. As usual, in every Fast and Furious films, it's high stakes, right? International criminal Owen Shaw's been...
Definitely Nope. It has like the same signage. So I am so excited to see what they're going to be doing with that. And lastly, we got the Halloween maze facade. Well, I tried to again. You know, I was on my phone, a little bumpy, but I just wanted to see like what that's looking like. And pretty much the same, but it's looking pretty good.
Screen, just like our founder Carl Lemley said he wanted to do, and that was to tell stories that would make people laugh or cry or sit on the edge of their seat.
That was pretty cool. We did see a lot of updates here today at the studio tour. The benefit of doing it first as well is that it was only 10 minutes, it said, but it was practically a walk-on. We got in line and walked straight to the tram. It's already heating up, so I'm glad we did it. The line is a little longer as well. Oh, longer as well, so good call. Okay, here is an update at Super Nintendo World from this view. And a lot of the scaffolding is down. You can see like a better view of the bottom half of Bowser's Castle. I wonder when they're gonna bring like that Bowser head right there just to add. But they did cover the top a little bit for now, but the bottom is definitely more exposed. All right, and for the Halloween Horror Night maze, nothing really different from last time. They still have the props, but no like substantial changes to the exterior. Okay, here in the lower lot, it looks as though the dinosaurs are out. We got Blue, of course, but we also got Juliet. We don't get to see her all the time, but maybe because it's summer, it's pretty packed, she'll be coming out more frequently.
Open the gates. Eyes on me. Blue. Easy. No. Eyes on me. Blue. Hey. That's more like it. And we're moving. Hey. And we're moving. There we go. Right about here. Hey! That's okay. It's just Juliet. Easy go. You're all good there, Andy. You're all good.
Hey, easy.
Focus.
Juliet, it's okay. She's not messing with you right now.
Hey. What you're seeing here is an interesting standoff between two very territorial creatures. They're both pack animals and pet animals. However, she did respond to my vocal commands with movement.
Here's an update near the studio store. We have been wondering like what they've been working on. They have like this green grass area, but as you can see, it is now going to be a little stand for drinks, popcorn, and snacks. I wanted to come and look at like the view over here. Still, the tarp is blocking that green warp pipe. When will they start like uncovering that? I want to see that. Here at Jurassic Cafe, they do have a little new menu for summer refreshers and cocktails. They look super delicious. Okay, also another update they have at the lower lot is now they have like this little express kiosk so you could come and upgrade here on the lower lot. It is newly open down here. Alright, so I was walking around, I did see some updates. The first one was that special effects show. They were testing it. I heard that whole show play. Of course, no one's in there. I thought maybe that they were gonna have like a little soft opening, but as of yet, nothing. It officially opens July 1st, so make sure you look at the app if that's something you want to see, to just know exactly when it's playing, because I know eventually it's just gonna move to Saturday, Sunday, but you have to look on that app just to see before you come if you want to see the special effects show. Right, we also stopped by Production Central and we did see a few cool things in there. We saw like this Frankenstein toy that I thought was super cool. This is super nice. Look, it comes with like different faces, expressions, hands as well. And also I did notice that they got some more like ET t-shirts and a sweater. Also really nice, especially those t-shirts. I do like that sweater, but right now in this heat, I just can't picture wearing it. And then we did stop by La Llorona just to see if there's any updates for that facade. And it looks the same, but I just wanted to stop by and check. But that is the progress on that maze so far. Okay, right in the back here near Super Silly Fun Stuff, they do have a new collaboration with the Minions and Verdi. I had to look them up on Instagram because I never heard of this artist, but they did make some pretty cool stuff. So they got skateboards, like a keychain, hats, some short sleeves and long sleeves, and some really cool sweatshirts as well. The only thing is the collection is a bit on the pricier side, so I'll give you a look at the prices if that's something you're interested in. But it is really cool, but just a little pricey. Look at this, this is cool. It's like a little cereal box, and it has the biography of like the designer, collaborator. And I guess this is what comes inside that cereal box, which is super cool. All right, so when you come to Universal, it is definitely heating up. So I advise you to bring some water just to stay hydrated because it is pretty hot. Even the Super Silly Funland water park, it's happening right now. People are cooling down, but bring some water because it is so hot. Here's a current look at the wait times. 12:59. Summer has started. Not the worst though. I mean, I probably wouldn't wait in those lines, but not bad, especially for summer crowds. Also in the Universal Studios store, this cool Jaws collection has debuted. I wish it wasn't behind the case, but here's a sneak peek. We're here by Water World where the maze is getting constructed, and I can't really see much. I do see that there are more walls, but it's really hard to see exactly what's going on from this perspective, but I thought I'd just give you like a little overview of what you can see. Currently outside the Curious George mazes. This is the back of this one. Again, no like real updates. But we'll go take a look at the front, just see what we could see. Okay, so the Halloween house, the patio in front does look more completed. It's looking super nice. Here's a current look at the side of the house. And this one, which we don't know exactly what it is yet, this is what it's looking like. You do have some like black panels on the side. Other than that, no real differences that I see from last time. It's behind the crate. Alright everyone, that is going to do it here from Universal Studios Hollywood. It was a hot day and it was crowded. I mean, wait times actually weren't that bad for summer, but the walkways were super crowded, so we just came in, got some updates, and we're leaving now. Alright, but for now, don't forget to hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe button, because we're going to have more videos coming soon. Until next time, bye guys!